Wheel cleaning made easy and wheel cleaning made difficult.
It's the way I like to do things.
Yeah.
And you like to keep it simple.
Right, so we're gonna show you 2 different ways of cleaning these wheels on this Raptor. I'm gonna be doing the simplest method I know, and Nick is gonna go through about every product in the line.
I'm Nick, this is Yvan. I'm Rabbit Hole, this is...
Make it easy, make it simple,
Make
it
it
fun.
Make it simple.
Yeah.
Should we time this?
We don't need to time it, but I'll be done way before you are. So I'll let you start. I'll explain a bit what he's doing while he starts because I got a lot of time on my hands. Anyways, so he's going to be starting with the pressure washer, keeping the tire cool. So he wants to get the tire cooled down. He's got the nozzle and the pressure washer there. And you know, being the consummate detailer, he did the fender as well, just make sure. Now, next thing he's going to go to is the foam cannon. The foam cannon with incredible suds is going to break down the dirt, get in there, work it. A lot of thick suds here. So here comes Nick with his foam cannon. He's got it adjusted to his liking.
I feel like this is like the British announcer of the the British Open. All right, gonna get her going here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we had enough incredible suds.
That's good, yeah. So we got the incredible suds going there. It's gonna start breaking down the dirt. While that's sitting, let me get my tire clean. So I'm gonna be using All Clean, which is the DIY all-purpose cleaner. And these floors are beautiful, but they're hard on your knees. So I have one microfiber towel that is dedicated to my knee. I'm gonna be spreading the All Clean on here, and like any good video, there we go. So you can see the browning on these tires. They're quite brown in color. And Nick's scrubbing so hard, he's moving the whole truck.
Look at that beautiful suds action though.
So I have All Clean on the tire. I'm gonna let it dwell for a few seconds. The dwell time allows it to work, allows it to dig in, and then I'm gonna start wiping the wheel. I'm gonna leave it on the tire for the moment. The tire is the most dirty part of the two.
Now, Ivan, if you really want to act like you're cleaning the vehicle, you got to use a separate brush for the wheel, the tire. Then I use this for the rim face. You're only a real detailer if you have a separate lug nut brush. So I'm going to get in there. This will be a great detailing video here. Just an ASMR. Oh, look at that. I'm having way more fun than Ivan, right, Ivan?
Yeah, you are. But I'll be out driving the truck way before you are.
Now, he looks like he's pretty much done, but I'm still over here getting in here. The rabbit hole's a fun place to be for about one wheel.
Yeah. So the wheel is now clean. And you'll notice this is actually a waterless method. I didn't need a hose or anything. From here, I'm going to use my microfiber towel. Much like Nick is using 5 different brushes to get in here and actually clean the face of the tire.
All right. But wait,
There's more.
iron remover time.
Yes.
This is great for some rims. You're not going to necessarily see it on these rims, but so much brake dust, iron particles will get onto your rim faces that just a great way to do a deep clean of wheels. So I'm going to let that dwell for a little bit. You just don't want it to dry on the paint. I've just got my incredible suds in this bucket, and the iron remover will suds up for you nice. And it's just an extra redundant way to get a good deep clean of your rims and your barrels. So I can spray a little bit more in there and then go after the barrels again. is just to make sure I'm getting in there. And again, we pre-treated with the pressure washer to just get everything nice and cool, because you don't really want to work on a hot rim face or a wheel. All right.
Now these are relatively new tires. It's a relatively new truck. So we have this chalk line on here that's actually getting a little difficult to remove. But slowly we're getting it.
Final rinse. Now, if you want to go crazy, you can use a leaf blower to dry it all down. What I'm going to do is just go for the rim faces and do the tire shine at the end.
Speaking of tire shine, we have our tire dressing, or the tire lotion as I like to call it. And with these tires, it's a little difficult to get in there with traditional methods. I like to use a brush. So I'm just going to spray it onto the face of the brush. That way I'm not getting any overspray on the vehicle. And simply apply it. Work it into these areas.
What's taking you so long, Ivan?
I was watching you.
Oh, is that right? Putting on a show over here. Okay, now ceramic gloss. Amazing drying aid for your paint and your rim faces. Maybe just give it a few sprays. No need to waste any by spraying it on the rim face. And this way I'm going to make sure anything that I possibly didn't clean I'm going to wipe down. I'm just going to give it a nice pop. And then it's going to be a lot easier to clean. You can even go all the way down the rabbit hole and ceramic coat your rim faces, which we'll take care of that in another video. But any kind of ceramic protection is going to make your vehicle pop and make it easier to clean, and that includes on the rim face. Okay, I think it's time for tire shine, Mr. Ivan.
Well, I'm done mine.
Oh, are you done?
Yeah.
Can I borrow your brush?
Right, but you might want to dry your tire a little more first.
Oh, is that the Ivan LaCroix method?
No, it's just,
Common
water and
sense.
the tire shine sort of, not that they're incompatible, it's just, it helps a little bit.
I'm tired, Ivan. I want to do your method.
Well, you're even out of breath. And you're what, 35 years younger than I am?
I'm 36 years young, sir.
All right. Well, you're 20 years younger than I am.
Just a little all clean on the towel to give it a nice final wipe down. We want to wait till the tire's dry. One thing you can do, seriously, a leaf blower will dry your tire down real quick and get all those little droplets out of there.
Yeah, and you missed a spot.
How many spots did I miss down here? Are we still cleaning this one wheel?
Yeah.
It's fun though.
Yeah, oh, mine's all done.
Here's all done.
Looks good too. Nice and shiny. The tire, not too shiny. Doesn't look like, it's not 1970 here, so. And once your tire shine is sat for a minute or two, you can take a towel and just level it off. And there we have it.
Okay.
So,
Give me that tire shine, Ivan.
there you go, sir.
All right. Tire lotion. So what do? A few sprays on here?
A few sprays on the brush, maybe a little more because of the size of this tire.
I just want to be like you one day when I grow up.
Lazy. Yeah. So while
This is
Nick
a
is doing
lot
that,
of tire.
he's spreading it on, making sure that he's not getting any on the rim. Now you can put the tire lotion on the rim, but it may attract dirt, so.
It'll look good for about a day, no joke.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not saying it's the best way to clean it, but on black rims, worst comes to worst, if by accident it happens, it'll make them pop. Just, it's not what it's used for. It's not what it's meant for.
Yeah.
And there's a giant tire. Okay.
And then a dry towel.
Thanks, sir.
And if you want that shiny glazed donut look that a lot of people do like still, well, you can put a second coat on once this one dries for about 5 minutes.
Do you ever just let it dwell for a while? Is that what you were saying earlier?
Yeah, you can let it dwell for a few minutes.
So if you don't like the look of your tire, you can always just apply more tire shine.
Right, you can make it look shinier if you so desire. And some people like that. And some vehicles, it actually fits the look of the vehicle.
Was that just one wheel?
Yes, it was.
All right, let's do a final comparison. What do you guys think at home? Which wheel looks better? The Nick Special?
Or this quick and easy method.
I can't tell the difference.
If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below. And if you have any workout solutions for Nick so he's not out of breath the next time he does a detail, please leave them below.
Dad bod.
We'll see you in the next one.